Dad, where are we?
I don't know. I think we are lost.
What do we do now?
One small mistake changed their happy day.
What a beautiful day!
I love this forest.
This map is confusing.
Let's stay together.
Don't worry. I'm a little scared.
I'm with you.
We stay together.
No one walks alone.
Okay. Buddy found something!
Let's follow him. Be careful.
One step at a time.
Look! A sign! We found the way!
We're almost there.
We did it together.
Thank you, buddy. You're our little hero.
Families stay strong when they stay together.
Love and teamwork always show the right path.
When families stay together, they can